Hey everyone, welcome to another episode. Today we've got some Canam parts in the shop that we're going to make look nice. Stick around, see what we have, see what we do, and click that subscribe button. Be right back. Watch the intro. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around. Like I said, today we've got a mess of Canam parts in, and to start we have some wheel spacers and some steering knuckles. They're freshly sandblasted, cleaned up. Now you just got to mask them off, throw them in the oven. They're just going to go basic satin black, make them look nice. Then we have all the control arms and springs for the thing that we're going to do not satin black. So you're going to have to stick around and find out what color we do those. And maybe I'll even throw a few pictures of what the bike looks like at the end. This customer has been coming to me for a while. Put a ton of money into his bike. A ton of powder coating. And I think it looks pretty sharp. So hopefully we get these done up and finishes off the look of his bike. And go from there. So I'm going to get some tape. We're going to start masking this off. Alright, so you just saw me masking these off, covering the threads on the wheel spacers, covering all the bearing surfaces, all the pivoting points where the bolts are going. So now you just got to put it in the oven, outgas it for a little bit, let it cool down, and get some color to it. So you know what I'm going to go do now? I'm going to go put these in the oven. So be right back. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around. As you saw, I was just getting ready to coat up these steering knuckles and wheel spacers. I'm not showing much of them because, well, there wasn't much to them. You saw me mask them off and put them in the oven, dry them out. There wasn't a whole lot of spraying either, so. But what I do have to show you is that I'm finished. You can see where I masked off all the threads, and we have a nice high gloss, smooth. There's the camera. Nice clean finish. Here's our steering knuckles. You saw where I was masking off the inside of there, and where all the pivot points are for like the tie rod, the ball joints and stuff. Kept them all nice and clean. So now it's on to finishing up the control arms. I've already got some sandblasted. I'm going to put some of that up there for you guys to watch. I know it's not fun to watch sandblasting, but it gives you something to see. And then we're going to get them all masked up, coated, and get them back to the customer. And see about revealing the final look of his bike. I know he's pretty stoked to see this stuff done, so I'm trying to get him done as quick as I can. Make him look as good as I can, and that way he can show this thing off some more. And like I said, it's got a lot of work into it, and it's looking pretty good. So without any further talking, I'm going to get back to sandblasting, and stick around. And we're back. Thanks for sticking around. As you just saw, I was doing some sandblasting on these parts. Give you a little show of what goes into some of the stuff. However, now we have all these ready. You can see I've got plugs in the holes where they need. There's one there. And all the bushing holes are all masked off. So every other hole for where the bearings go, they're all taped off as well. So now it's time to get spraying some primer. These are steel parts, so I'm going to spray a zinc primer onto them. And then we're going to spray the red and get them done. Let the customer get these back, and so he can get his bike back together. So I'm going to get the red ready. And in the meantime, I'll be right back. Alright, so thanks for sticking around. I know it's only been a transition away, but as you can see, I've got the parts all fully sprayed. I'd show you the zinc primer, but it was a gray. Kind of blends right in with the color. Really not much to see. The red, on the other hand, as you can see, it's really changes the look of everything. So we're going to get these going. I'm going to let them flow out, or gel out. And once they get to a certain point, I'm just going to give them another quick spray, just for that really nice smooth finish that I've done before. It's one of the things I do. It helps. I find it helps to get real smooth finish, and it works. So stick around, go hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment, let me know what you think. And from there, I'll show you what these look like, and you can let me know what you think of the final product as well. So stick around, I'll be right back. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around this long. We're the next day. We're finishing up those Canam parts right now, as you just saw. You saw me sandblast them. You saw me spraying them with some red. Now you get to see what they look like finished. So before I do that, I'm going to give you half a minute here to just kind of slide your mouse down there on that right side, or I guess it'd be left off from you, to hit that subscribe button, stick around, so you can stick around and keep up to date on all the videos I'm putting out here, and also maybe get to see some of the ones that I've done that you haven't seen yet. So go hit that subscribe button, and now that you have, now I can show you these parts. And there you have it, everyone. Parts are all done, ready. As you saw, all the threaded holes and bearing surfaces are all kept clean, masked off, and they came out real super smooth. So now that mixed in with the black parts that I've already done. If you remember from back at the beginning of the video, we had these parts, and we had the wheel spacers that we did. This bike is gonna be finished, or so he says. I'm sure there'll be more that he's gonna want done here eventually, but in the meantime, keep your eyes out for it if you're down this way. If you're at any big four-wheeler mud events. You'll probably see it. So with that, I'm gonna call this one done. He's gonna come get the parts, put them on, and keep an eye on my Facebook page, because I'm gonna post up some pictures of his bike when it's done, when he takes a couple and sends them to me. So till next time, remember to keep it loud and stay warm.